Alright, the math homework the teacher gave us is due tomorrow, so I should probably start now. I don't understand a single thing about this question. You know what? I'm gonna call Roshni.
Hey Arfa, what's up?
Hey Roshni, I'm currently doing the math homework our teacher gave us, but I'm stuck on this one question. It has something to do with the Pythagoras theorem. I have no idea what it is, and I've tried solving it, but it's just not clicking for me.
Oh, Pythagoras theorem? Okay, so it's a rule for right-angled triangles. It says that if you square the two shorter sides, it's equal the square of the longest side called the hypotenuse. But wait, I don't really remember the angle part. Hold on, let me call Ravenna. Okay.
Hey Roshni, everything okay?
Hey Ravenna, I'm explaining Pythagoras theorem to Arfa, but I need help going deeper into it.
Sure. The Pythagoras theorem only works for right angled triangles. That means one angle is exactly 90. The two sides next to that angle are called A and B, and the longest one opposite the right angle is C, the hypotenuse. It is super useful in finding missing sides when you know two of them. Just plug the number into the formula.
Oh, okay. Now it clicks. Thank you very much.
That's all. Bye.
Bye. Okay, Arfa, so here's how you solve it. Okay, take the lengths of the two shorter sides, square them, add the results, then square root the total to get the hypotenuse.
Now I understand. But what's the use of learning this anyway? I'm gonna forget this in 5 years. And besides, we're not even gonna use this in real life. So, is there any use of learning it at all?
No way! It's actually super useful. You'll see. Let me call Rishika.
Oh, Roshni is Alpha calling. Hey guys, what's going on? Oh, Pythagoras theorem is actually everywhere, Alpha. Like in contraction, workers used to make sure walls are perfectly straight and corners are 90 degrees. That's how building don't fall. In navigation, GPS system calculate the shortest spot between 2 points using triangle maths. Also in engineering for designing ramps, bridge or even roof, they used to theorem to calculate angles and length. Even in arts and game designing.
Wait, so the Pythagoras theorem is actually used in real life? Well, you learn something every day. But now I'm wondering, who even created the Pythagoras theorem? How was it created? Well, I know just the person to ask. Hey, Sanju.
Hi Arfa, what's up?
I was wondering, how did the Pythagoras theorem even start?
Let me explain. Pythagoras was a great mathematician from around 570 BC. He studied triangles and found a special rule for right angle one, which is the a square plus b square equals to c square. He discovered that the sum of the squares of the two shortest sides always equals to the square of the longest side, the hypotenuse. But here's the thing, he wasn't the first. Babylonians knew about this 1000 years ago before him. Even Indian mathematicians like Bodhayana had it in ancient texts. The difference is, Pythagoras was the one who proved it using logic and geometry. That's why it's named after him, the Pythagoras theorem. And today it's used in architecture, astronomy, robotics, and even more. Even NASA uses it when calculating rocket parts.
Bro,
In
that's
conclusion,
actually
the
really
Pythagoras theorem is a
interesting.
fundamental principle in
Well,
geometry
I'll
that
see you
relates the side
soon.
of a right angle
Thanks, by
triangle.
the way.
It states that the
You're
square of the
welcome,
hypotenuse,
Alpha.
the side
Bye.
opposite the right
See
angle,
you.
is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides, or a square plus b square equals to c square. This theorem is not only a critical concept in mathematics, but it also has a wide application in fields like architecture, engineering, navigation, and computer graphics. It helps in calculating distances, constructing accurate designs, and solving real-world spatial problems. Understanding this theorem deepens our appreciation of how mathematical principles can elegantly describe the physical world.